Have you ever wished you could have multiple Claude Code sessions communicate with each other, schedule prompts to fire when you need them to, easily manage Git work trees? That's why I built Echorb. Let's have a look. This is Echorb. There's a Windows and a Mac OS version. You get 60 days for free. You don't need to use your credit card. Just add your email and get a free trial key. This is the app. It starts off with just the system orchestrator. You can see there I'm running Claude Code at the moment. You can switch to other CLIs and add custom CLIs as you need. I'm just going to show you how I can get Claude Code to communicate with multiple instances. Let's try something. Assistant CLI settings screen. We go there. You can see here, you can just come in here and edit the flags and edit the system prompt file names if that changes for any reason down the line, and it will boot up using the correct information. Cool. So let's start the AI travels. AI travel route. I'm just calling a travel route because it's the instance that I'm setting to the root of this repository. And then let's create it. So there we have that instance. It's also using Claude. I'm currently on Haiku 4.5. This is just pointing to an empty directory, as you saw. From here, I can click here on generate from project spec and then give it a project spec of there. I've got a little project spec of a travel blog I'd like it to generate for the eye-catching travel blog website featuring exotic alien vacation destinations across the universe. Think Lonely Planet meets sci-fi with stunning and AI generated imagery. Let's see what we can do. So our little system orchestrator will generate the instances, and then our app is going to import those instances that got generated. Other things that the system orchestrator can do, you can ask it to generate a workflow for you and schedule a prompt to fire. On the trigger side, you can generate a workflow with a manual trigger, schedule it to execute at certain times, have it watch files, use webhooks to trigger it, or it can trigger on startup. Cool, so it's finished generating those instances. It decided that we needed a front-end developer, image generator, a content creator, and a integration lead. So you can switch up each instance to use whichever CLI you wanted to use. So you can have Claude communicating with Gemini, Gemini communicating with Codex. If you want to use Gemini's big context window, set up Gemini to use the big context window on a specific instance at a specific time. Switch to Gemini and then have it use that. Say hi, please send greetings to our running instances. So let's send that prompt. Yeah, made a few spelling errors there. Okay, you can sort that out. Got it. Let me discover our running instances and send them greetings. I'll reach out to each team member and get them engaged on the Cosmic Getaway project. Cool. Okay, so as you can see, we just received a message from Echo on the integration lead side, and he acknowledged it. Our content creator also received a message and acknowledged it. Looks like everyone did. image generator. So I've got a MCP server set up to generate these images. For Claude, we have MCP management built in here. So you can go and enable, disable. If you disable a MCP server, you can switch it back on. And then you've got hooks management, sub-agent management, a bunch of stuff there, and a few example MCP servers. The other CLIs, you can go into your assistant CLI settings and also manage those manually. I just specifying the path and then open the config using OpenConfig, and it should use the default IDE that you specified from the dashboard there. You need some guidance. There's a little documentation viewer here with getting started documents, advanced core features, and some help that you can also search through. Cool. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna try and get this thing to generate the site. Have a good day, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this. The theme is imported and ready to kick off the project. Do that, kick off the project. Excited energy. This guy's focused, writing code. Perfect. I'll create an automated workflow to check in with the team every 10 minutes. This will keep me continuously updated on phase 1 progress. So workflow created successfully. So we can go to the workflow section here, and there you can see it active. So that workflow should execute every 10 minutes. The main branch, the index.html. Just open it. IDE. Okay, let's have a look. There we go. I've got a little block. I've got model pop-ups. Aurora Peak Paradise. Witness the mesmerizing dance of auroras above the ice-capped peaks, a winter wonderland where the sky blazes with cosmic colors and pristine snow blankets the landscape. Aurora hunting expeditions, ice hotels, and thermal hot springs provide unforgettable experiences. Highlights: northern lights, ice hotels, thermal hot springs, aurora photography. Oh, looks amazing. So I'll put the links in for these repos, and then yeah, you can go have a look. Yeah, go out, have some fun, and yeah, send me your links to whatever you build in the comments. Have a good day. Bye bye.